thought I'd do a small video. Today is Sunday. We're getting ready to go out to horseback ride in a little bit, but anyhow, I thought I'd come on here and show you my bubble bar box. I have recently placed an order on Bubble Bar and they've got some really cute accessories. So I just thought I'd quickly come on here and make a small video on what I got in my box, the unboxing. Okay, so my first pair of earrings, I'll show you these. I ordered a pair of turquoise tassely dangly earrings, which this is what they look like. So they're really cute. They're kind of like a fabric material. And then it also has like the beaded turquoise little triangle here, but this is fabric, tassels. And considering how big they are, they're not heavy at all. So I thought I'd share that one. The next one I got are these that I've been seeing a lot. Just so you know, Target carries Bubble Bar as well. So these are it right here. They're still in the, let me try. So here's what they look like. They're very light also. They're plastic. They don't feel heavy whatsoever. So I'll put one on just so. Hopefully the lighting is good. I'm sitting here in front of my window. But anyhow, here's what it looks like. Hopefully you can see it. So yeah, it feels like you don't really have anything on. Are these really pink hearts, and I've been eyeballing these for a while. I believe they come in different colors like black, royal blue, white, and this fuchsia pink. Here's what they look like. So I got the pink pair, and I thought those were really cute. They're very sturdy, they're not heavy at all again, and really cute. That will look good with some jeans and a white t-shirt. Next pair are these light pastel pink. Also has the beaded little pierced. And here's what they would look like. So these are really, really cute. If you haven't heard of Bubble Bar, they do carry them at Target. You could also find them on their own website at baublebar.com. I will link it down below. So I just thought I'd come on here and share. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see. I was thinking about doing what's in my bag video, so let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. I will show you what I'm wearing today's outfit. By the way, hopefully you can see it. These jeans are by Zara. I got these a couple of weeks back. They're cute. They have beads on the side and little studs. And hopefully you can see they've got the cropped, cut off bottoms. This shirt is, actually I got this shirt at Marshall's. It's got an elastic top, long sleeve, very comfortable, stretchy. And the boots here that I'll show. I actually got these at Nordstrom. So if I find the link, I will link it down below. Anyhow, thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.